Great. So Jim, thanks for having us. We're excited to tell the story. We pushed very heavily into the cloud 5 or 6 years ago now, so our use of the cloud is pretty mature by now. We started with some very traditional things, moving email and collaboration tools, CRM, stuff like that out to the cloud. All that back office type functionality that is the engine that makes a government agency work. Now we're pushing more deeply into the cloud. We have about 60% of our infrastructure is in the cloud now. Really good numbers. The benefits are pretty much what everybody expected. We're driving down costs. We're increasing mobility and usability. We've blown through the traditional borders of what's a federal facility so that people can compute from any place at any time in any location. We're seeing significant cost savings. We've been able to, as a part of our transformation of IT that we provide into the agency, we've been able to shave about 20% of our budget.
Wow,
and cloud is a significant part of that.
That's a real story.
And those activities that we've generated within GSA IT supporting the business of GSA then downstream informs a few of our products that we provide to the rest of the federal government. So the Federal Acquisition Service, which is the purchasing agent of the federal government, they look to us to say the acquisition products and tools that we deliver for the rest of the federal government, has this been vetted? Did GSA IT try it? Did it work well? Did they get the returns that they expected? So we inform those acquisition products. The new Technology Transformation Service that was just stood up in GSA last week, we partner with them and with the groups that are forming that, 18F and others. Because we're a real live federal agency that's been acting and operating in the cloud for 5 or 6 years now, they say, how can we take the best practices that GSA IT has formed and push that out to the rest of the federal government?